Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mid-drive electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the TOW7 DMO2 mid-drive motor kit. This product stands out as a DIY conversion kit for those who want to transform their standard bike into an electric one. It features a 48-volt, 500-watt brushless motor equipped with a torque sensor, which accurately detects the force applied to the pedals and converts it into kinetic energy. This results in smooth and responsive power delivery that's ideal for urban commuting or casual rides. The kit also includes throttle functionality, giving you the option to cruise effortlessly when you're tired. In terms of design, the TOW7 DMO2 is crafted with lightweight aluminum, ensuring durability without adding excessive weight to your bike. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the included instruction manual, and it's compatible with most standard bikes that have a 68 to 73 millimeter bottom bracket. The safe design of the kit ensures that power output stops as soon as you stop pedaling, making it a secure option for all users. While this kit offers great flexibility and is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, it may not be suitable for riders seeking the convenience of a fully assembled e-bike. Additionally, it lacks advanced features like a display or app connectivity. Overall, the TOW7 DMO2 is a solid choice for those who want to customize their ride without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Varun electric bike, which is a great entry-level choice for riders looking for a simple, affordable solution for commuting or leisure. Powered by a 350-watt motor with a 500-watt peak output, this bike delivers a modest top speed of 20 mph and a range of up to 35 miles in pedal assist mode. Its removable 36V 7.8 amp-hour lithium battery charges quickly in 4 to 6 hours, making it convenient for daily use. Design-wise, the Varun electric bike features a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that weighs just 50 pounds, making it easy to maneuver. The 24-inch tires and front fork suspension provide decent stability and comfort, even on uneven terrain. Safety is prioritized with dual disc brakes and integrated lights for better visibility during night rides. While the bike only offers 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and manual, these options should suffice for most casual riders. However, the Varun electric bike lacks some advanced features like app connectivity or a high-tech display, which might be a deal-breaker for more tech-savvy users. Additionally, its performance may be underwhelming for riders seeking higher speeds or longer ranges. Overall, this bike is best suited for beginners or those on a budget who want a reliable, no-frills e-bike for everyday use. Coming in at number 3 is the Narek Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike, a versatile and adventure-ready option for riders who need portability and power. This bike is equipped with a 750-watt motor that peaks at 1100 watts, allowing it to achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The 48-volt 13HA removable lithium battery offers a solid range, making it perfect for city commutes or off-road excursions. Its folding frame design is a standout feature, enabling easy storage and transport, whether for RV trips or tight apartment spaces. The Narek bike is built with a sturdy aluminum frame and features fat tires for improved traction on challenging terrains like sand, snow, or gravel. The front suspension fork provides a smooth ride, while the integrated luggage rack and ergonomic saddle enhance practicality and comfort. Safety measures are robust, with dual disc brakes, hidden cables, and LED lights for visibility in low-light conditions. The M5 LCD display adds a touch of modernity, showing essential stats like speed, battery level, and riding mode. While the Narek Fat Tire Folding Bike excels in versatility and design, its heavier weight of 63 pounds might be a drawback for some users. Additionally, it doesn't offer app connectivity or GPS tracking. Nevertheless, this bike is an excellent choice for adventurers looking for a durable and portable e-bike that can handle a variety of terrains. At number 2, we have the Bafang electric bike conversion kit, which is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes a powerful 48-volt, 1,000-watt mid-drive motor and a Bafang C18 display with 9 levels of pedal assist. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through the city, the motor delivers consistent and reliable performance. The kit also includes essential installation tools, making the conversion process straightforward for most users. One of the standout features of the Bafang kit is its compatibility. It works with bikes that have a bottom bracket diameter of 34 to 36 millimeters and a width of 68 to 73 millimeters. The included battery is robust, with a 13 Ah capacity and built-in safety mechanisms like overload and short-circuit protection. The display adds a touch of convenience, offering real-time stats and auto backlight functionality for nighttime rides. However, this kit is not beginner-friendly, as it requires some technical knowledge for installation. Additionally, while the motor is powerful, it's not ideal for belt drive systems or bikes with back pedal brakes. If you're comfortable with a bit of DIY and want to customize your ride, the Bafang conversion kit is an excellent choice that offers great performance and flexibility. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ebike 26 electric bike, a powerhouse that delivers top-tier performance and cutting-edge features. This bike boasts a peak 1,500-watt motor and a 48-volt, 864-watt-hour removable battery, allowing it to achieve speeds of up to 34 miles per hour and a jaw-dropping range of 90 miles in pedal assist mode. Whether you're commuting, exploring off-road trails, or cruising through urban streets, this bike has the power and stamina to handle it all. The design is equally impressive, with 4-inch fat tires that provide stability and traction on various terrains, from snow to sand. The heavy-duty, reinforced rear rack can carry loads over 330 pounds, making it ideal for hauling groceries, camping gear, or even a child seat. Comfort and safety are paramount, thanks to its hydraulic disc brakes, adjustable suspension fork, and ergonomic saddle. The full-color LCD display and Bluetooth-enabled app add a modern touch, offering GPS tracking, remote locking, and data analytics. While the Ebike bike is packed with features, it's also one of the heavier options, which might make it less portable. Additionally, the higher price point could be a barrier for budget-conscious buyers. However, if you're looking for a high-performance, feature-rich e-bike that excels in both on-road and off-road scenarios, the Ebike 26 electric bike is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.